Children, in the previous video you have studied about ginning, but today we will study spinning. Spinning means moving something in a round shape. When little children play with the top, lattu घुमाते ना, that is spinning. The same process happen with the yarn. Spinning is the process of constructing yarn from fibers. There are three steps now. In the first video of the first page, I will explain you. Sorry, I explained you already. Firstly, fiber to yarn, yarn to fabric. There are three conditions. So here, yarn is constructed by fibers. Which fibers? From a huge heap of cotton, a big bundle of cotton are taken out and twisted, which brings them together to form a yarn. Twisted, this means like you make, like girls make pony. So the just like a two wire jar like that, we will spin together as like this. Understand? And when these fiber is connected to each other, then they become strong and take the size of a yarn. And there are two devices in the ancient times, takli and charkha. Takli, it is used by the old people in the village. Presently you will also see, if you ever visited the village areas, the old people have taken such kinds of instrument, plus sign, and here is a thread is connected. Understand? So they make the yarn from the fiber with the help of this takli. They move it in round shape and it will start spinning. Understand? And the charkha, it is very famous from the time of Mahatma Gandhi use it to make their own khadi clothes. Understand? And those both are especially hand operated, means used by the hand. Spinning of yarn on a bigger scale done using spinning machine. Now it is not done by takli and charkha, it is done by the machines. Spinning machine, following which these yarns are used to weave fabric. Understand? I told you, no, khadi was the term used to denote clothes which were made by homespun yarn. These are the device. This is charkha, and the right side this is takli. It is both are used by the hand. Yarn to fabric. Now third condition, there are two main ways through which we can, two major ways which yarn is converted fabric, mainly weaving and knitting. Weaving, the process of entwining two sets of yarn. I told you, one set and the other set make the yarn is called weaving. The process is done by a loom. Loom is a machine. It is either used by hand. It is, so in the Hindi it is called hatkarga, and by a machine which interlaces mane both are combined together at right angle like this. Understand? To each other. This is the machine, loom machine. It is automatically, and this is knitting. You have seen in your houses, your mother, your sister, your aunt, maybe knit the sweater for you, half sweater, full sweater, scarf, and socks, gloves. They are made by the knitting. That is called wool. They make knit with the help of wool. ऊन का हम लोग बनाते ना, that is single strand of yarn is used make a piece of fabric, and there are two iron rods are important in it, and with the help of this process knitting can be done by the hand as well as the machine. It is also, but knitting by hand is popular in India in common houses. But now the age of modern age, so people just are forgetting by knitting by hand, so that is mainly using by the machine. As you know, when you wear the sweater, any cloth, this is machine made, understand? And you know, when you seriously look this, it will in this shape, all kinds of yarn, it's just cutting time down to each other in just shape. And you watch your sweater, watch your shirt, watch your pant, the cutting is just like operated, understand? So for today it is enough. I will send you a separate copy of homework with this, along with this video. Goodbye.